biology, also known as cytology, is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of cells, the fundamental units of life. Cells are the smallest living entities and are the building blocks of all living organisms. Cell biology examines the structure, function, and behavior of cells, as well as their interactions with other cells and their environment. Here's a brief overview of key concepts in cell biology. Cell structure. 1. Cells have distinct structures, including a cell membrane that separates the interior from the external environment. 2. Prokaryotic cells lack a membrane-bound nucleus and organelles, while eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Cell organelles. 1. Organelles are specialized compartments within cells that perform specific functions. 2. Examples include the nucleus, genetic information storage, mitochondria, energy production, endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis, and Golgi apparatus, protein processing and packaging. Cell division. 1. Cells replicate through cell division, which is essential for growth, development, and tissue repair. 2. Mitosis results in two genetically identical daughter cells, while meiosis produces haploid cells for sexual reproduction. Cell signaling. 1. Cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, enabling coordinated responses and behaviors. 2. Signaling pathways involve receptors, molecules, and cascades that transmit information. Membrane transport. 1. Cell membranes control the movement of substances in and out of the cell. 2. Transport mechanisms include diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion, and active transport. Energy production. 1. Cells generate energy through processes like cellular respiration and photosynthesis. 2. Mitochondria play a central role in producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the cell's energy currency. Cell cycle. 1. The cell cycle encompasses phases from cell growth to division and includes interphase, G1, S, G2, and mitosis. 2. The cell cycle is regulated by checkpoints that ensure accurate DNA replication and proper division. Cell differentiation. 1. Cells in multicellular organisms specialize into different types with specific functions. 2. Differentiation involves changes in gene expression and morphology. Cell adhesion and migration. 1. Cells interact with each other and the extracellular matrix through adhesion molecules. 2. Cell migration is crucial for processes like embryonic development and wound healing. Cell death and survival. 1. Programmed cell death, apoptosis, eliminates damaged or unnecessary cells. 2. Cells can also enter a state of quiescence, cell cycle arrest, or senescence, permanent growth arrest. Cytoskeleton. 1. The cytoskeleton provides structural support and maintains cell shape. 2. It consists of microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Cell reproduction and growth. 1. Cells replicate their DNA and divide to produce new cells. 2. Controlled cell growth ensures proper development and tissue maintenance. Cell biology forms the foundation for understanding the intricacies of life at the cellular level. It has far-reaching applications in medical research, biotechnology, genetics, and the study of diseases such as cancer. Advances in cell biology continue to shed light on the mechanisms that govern life processes and contribute to our understanding of health and disease.